Tired of juggling personal and business calls, losing leads in the process? Let's fix that by setting up your very own smart number in Kvcore. First, log into your Kvcore dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on the Marketplace tab. This is where you'll find the Smart Number option. Scroll through the available apps until you find the Smart Number tile. It's usually labeled clearly. Click on it to learn more and begin the setup process. You'll now be prompted to choose your smart number. You can search by area code to find a number that's local to your target market. Type in the area code you want and hit search. Kvcore will display a list of available numbers. Browse the options and select the one you like best by clicking the checkbox next to it. Then, click the Purchase Number or similar button. Now, let's set up call forwarding. Go to your profile settings. This is usually found by clicking on your name or picture in the top right corner. Look for a section labeled something like Call Forwarding or Smart Number Settings. Enter the phone number where you want your smart number calls to be forwarded. This is usually your personal cell phone. Make sure to save your changes. That's it. Your smart number is now active and integrated with Kvcore. All calls and texts through this number will be tracked within Kvcore, giving you valuable insights into your lead engagement and helping you close more deals. Good luck.